In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know how to reschedule an existing task and create a brand new task that acts as a clear, trackable reminder for your day. Start on your Salesforce homepage. From here, open the app launcher, the grid icon in the top left, and search for Tasks. Select the Tasks app to jump into your activity workspace. This is where Salesforce keeps all your to-dos, follow-ups, and reminders in one place. Let's begin by adjusting a reminder on an existing task. Open any task you want to move. On the Task Details panel, choose Change Date to bring up the due date options. Click into the Due Date field to open the calendar. Pick the new due date, say the 22nd for this example, and confirm. Then click Save. Updating the due date instantly reschedules the reminder, keeps your task list current, and helps your Today view and list filters reflect what actually needs your attention now. Next, let's create a new reminder from scratch. Back on the Tasks page, open the More Actions menu and choose New Task. A task form appears where you can link your reminder to the right records and add all the details you need. Start by associating the task with the right related record. In the Related To field, select the account, opportunity, case, or other record this task should be tied to. Keeping this connection accurate ensures the reminder shows up where your team expects to find it. Now add the person you're working with in the name field. This is typically a contact or a lead. Selecting the right person makes it easy to find the task from that person's page and provides crucial context when you're reviewing your activities. Set the subject next. Use the subject pick list and choose an option like Call to quickly label what the reminder is about. This standardization helps with reporting and keeps your task list clean and scannable. Click into the due date and choose when you want this reminder to show up on your radar, using the 21st as an example here. Due dates drive visibility in your task list and ensure you're prompted at the right time. In the description or the subject note, type a short, actionable detail, such as call 10 a.m. Since tasks are date-based, adding the intended time to the note gives you an at-a-glance schedule without overcomplicating the setup. Keep this note concise and specific so you immediately know what to do when the task comes up. Set the status to reflect progress. If you're just planning it, not started is fine. If you've already begun or scheduled time on your calendar, switch it to In Progress. Accurate statuses help you and your team instantly understand what's moving and what needs attention. Next, choose the priority. Normal is great for routine follow-ups. Use High when timing is critical or the impact is significant. Setting priority thoughtfully helps you sort and filter your list so the most important reminders never get buried. If you open a menu or make a selection you don't want, you can use Cancel to back out of that change. Otherwise, when everything looks good, click Save. Your new task is now on your list, connected to the right records, dated properly, and ready to remind you at the right time. A few quick tips to make this stick. Use consistent subjects and clear notes so every reminder is self-explanatory. Keep due dates realistic. Moving a date forward is better than letting tasks go overdue. And lean on status and priority. Those two fields make your task list far more manageable. That's it. You've rescheduled an existing task and created a new, well-structured reminder in Salesforce, all within the Tasks workspace.